Hi, this is Keith Packer with Rev RV Group, and I want to introduce you to the brand new 2020 Pace Arrow 35RB. Isn't this gorgeous? Quad slide rear bunk. And one of the problems with bunkhouses and diesels is the bunks are always on the side. So when mom and dad put the kids to bed, they wake them up when they go to bed because they have to walk through the bunkhouse to get to their bedroom. This particular rear bunk has the bunks in the rear. So consequently, you put the kids to bed, they have their own access to the bathroom, which I'll show you in a minute, and mom and dad can close off the pocket doors so they don't get disturbed when they finally go to bed themselves. On the outside of this motorhome, two wind sensing awnings. This is built on the Freedom Bridge chassis, XCS. This is only done by Fleetwood and Rev RV Group. This is done on a Freightliner XCS chassis. It's 340 horse with an MH2500 6-speed Allison transmission. On the outside, Sikkens Performance coatings, beautiful full body paint, and in addition to that, a 40-inch TV. So when these two wind sensing awnings are out on the party area, you've got all the entertainment you need. Come on in, let me show you how great this interior floor plan is. We're here in the inside of the 2020 Pace Arrow 35RB. This is an amazing new diesel pusher. As I mentioned, we're on Freightliner componentry. So, new for Freightliner for 2020 is the new S-Series Mercedes dash. Previously, I've talked about the exclusive Fleetwood Hide-A-Loft. Remember, this Hide-A-Loft holds not 200 pounds, not 300 pounds, not 500 pounds, it holds 650 pounds. Now, not only does it hold 650 pounds, but there's enough headroom when it comes all the way down to give you plenty of space for two active adults to spend the night up there together. Speaking of sleeping, you've got a beautiful facing dinette here that turns into a bunk. In addition to the facing dinette with a big midship TV, you also have theater seating on this side. Gorgeous recliners that are going to keep you comfortable while you're watching the TV. So on our way back to the bunks, I wanted to stop in the galley and talk about the high-end features here. Solid surface countertops, a big dual bowl stainless sink, one sink for washing, one sink for rinsing, and then you've got drying. Also, an induction cooktop. For those of you who are a little leery about induction cooktops, this is the greatest invention ever. It doesn't generate heat. It's a magnetic process. So any flat bottom metal pan, you can take a boiling pot of spaghetti off this burner, put your hand on it, and it will just be warm. It doesn't generate heat like a propane flame, so you don't heat up the inside of your motorhome as much. For ovens, you've got the beautiful High-Point microwave convection oven. Think of this as a half-time oven. It microwaves, it convects, it microwaves and convects. Plenty of storage here. In the back, you've got a big residential refrigerator. The residential refrigerator runs off of a 2800 watt pure sine wave inverter, 4 house batteries. 2 batteries are dedicated just to keeping the popsicles frozen. You also have auto generator start in this motorhome. That auto generator start is triggered by the battery condition, the temperature in the motorhome. So if you're dry camped and you have animals in here and it's a hot day, you don't have to run your Jenny all day. If you're gone and the AC needs to come on, the generator will automatically start and cool down the coach so you don't stress your animals out. We have a Precision Circuits touchpad that you can link to your smartphone. This Precision Circuits does everything but the jacks and the slides. It's an amazing feature. You can sit with your smartphone, turn the air conditioning on, turn the generator on, do the lights, everything except the slides and the jacks. So typically in a bunkhouse, as I mentioned, the bunks are over here, mom and dad's bed is here. Mom and dad wake the kids up when they go to bed, even though the kids went to bed 2 hours earlier. Not so here. Here are the bunks behind mom and dad's bedroom. So mom and dad put the munchkins to bed. They close this pocket door. Then they close this pocket door. And the bathroom is connected to the kids' bedroom. So if the kids need to use the lavatory, they can. They're separated from mom and dad, and that's the beauty of this floor plan, because when mom and dad come to bed, they're not going to wake the kids up. And there's a pocket door in here as well that shuts off the bathroom from the bunks, so when mom and dad want to wash their face and brush their teeth, they're not going to wake the kids up. This is a spectacular idea. And you, if you want a bunkhouse where you're not going to be tripping over the kids on the way to bed, this is the coach for you. Get to a Fleetwood dealer close to you and tell them you want to see the Pace Arrow 35RB rear bunkhouse.